O holy priest, O worthy priest, we honor you. You are the presence of the divine. You are the channel of God's grace and blessing. All humanity seek your face to meet the Almighty. Born of the family, sent for the community, himself weak but understands the weak. He is a guiding beacon to the faithful, heaven's angel manifested in human form. A man of God, a man for the people, chosen among men as a mediator of God, detached from the world, attached for the Lord, offers sacrifices and offerings on behalf of men. He is a healer in the confessionals, but compassionate at the broken-hearted, a shelter to the lonely and refuge to the weak. He is a replica of our Good Shepherd. He is consecrated and anointed one, gracious gift from above to men. He is a gift in an earthen vessel, Altur Christus, Christ incarnation. O priest, you are living tabernacle of God. Wish you all a happy priest day and a happy feast. May Saint John Maria Vianney bless us all. A happy feast day, dear fathers.